this sheet that I've just sent you. So what you do is you put your name in there. Actually, I'll change that. And I'm going to put the performer's name in there. And then I'm going to put the piece he played in there. And I'm going to put the difficulty level in there. Now, Andre Previn is playing Chopin's Revolutionary Etude, which is one of the more difficult pieces. All right, so you've got 3 grids. Your marking is going to go in here. And the first grid is for technical control, which is here. The second grid is expression and interpretation, which is there. The third grid is accuracy and fluency, which is there. Now, this bit, the adjusted mark for difficulty, I will get onto in a second. So first of all, we're going to think about the technical control that the performer gave to the piece. Now, you've got 4 levels. And so if you think that there are 1 or 2 moments where the demands of the music are beyond the current ability of the performer, then he's going to be level 3, Andre Previn. His sonority, that's the sound he's making, is good, with good tone quality, except a few places where he was banging the piano a bit too hard and I didn't like it. So he's level 3, but is he a high level 3 or is he a low level 3? So I think he's almost a 4, but it's not quite a 4. So I'm going to give him 6. All right? If I thought he was a low level 3, I'd give him 5. So for technical control, 6. That's the mark. Expression and interpretation. Now, when Andre Previn was playing the Revolutionary Etude, I thought that it was just loud all the way through, and there was a little bit where he slowed down because it was too difficult. So I'm going to say that he struggled to communicate because it sounded quite mechanical. There wasn't many dynamics. It was just all loud. And there was bits where he felt he was a bit hesitant. So I'm going to give Andre Previn a 3 for expression and interpretation. 3. Now, accuracy and fluency. How many mistakes were there? I'd say that Andre Previn was mostly accurate. I couldn't hear any mistakes. I mean, there might have been 1 or 2, but it was mostly accurate. They were minor things. So I'm going to give him 8. High level 4 there for accuracy and fluency. So 8. Excellent. Well done, Andre. Now, that gives me a total that I need to add up. So 6 plus 3 is 9, plus 8 is 17. So now, section 4, we've got to adjust the mark for difficulty. Now, the piece is more difficult. So we go down here. I gave him 17. So this is the difficulty table. On 17, the more difficult piece gets 26. If Andre Previn got 17 and what he was playing was standard, that would be 21. And if it was less difficult, he'd only get his 17. So Andre Previn, because he was playing a really difficult piece, got 17 marks, but that gets changed to 26. That's all right, isn't it? 26 out of 30. That's what he got. That's what I want you to do for your performer. All right?